Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today we're going to get right to the holiday cheer. What is holiday cheer? We all go from here to a channel when my video's done. We go to that channel and we leave, in the last video, we leave a little note in the comments that says, Happy Holiday Cheer, or Holiday Cheer, any way you want to do it. And like their video, subscribe to their channel, and then all the way down the line, like all the comments. And what that does is that gives that person a little boost so that they come up in the algorithm. Today we're doing the Dainty Seamstress. Oh my God, and she makes the cutest, tiniest things. She sews a lot for Blythe dolls, which is what drew me in, and she is the nicest person. So go by the Dainty Seamstress and leave holiday cheer. Today I have Happy Mail from Nola's Dolls and Aquatics. And if you don't watch Nola's channel, she does a lot of shorts. She has, I don't see too much of her aquatics, like sometimes I see them in the background. Probably she used to do it like I used to do animal training. I wanted to show you these real quick. My husband is a prince. I'm really, really blessed. I buy these white tops at the Dollar Tree for my Blythe dolls, Barbie dolls, and the rest of it, I have a big box with them in there. Anyway, I buy these, I clip all the extra strings hanging because there usually is. The Velcro might be loose, I go back over it, but this makes a quick, easy, inexpensive shirt that goes with about anything for a Blythe doll. So he dropped me off at the fabric store. He was going to go to just a couple doors down, the Dollar Tree. And he said, do you need anything? And I said, would you mind looking to see if they have the white shirts? So he said, how many you need? I said, 2, please. And he bought me this for fun. I thought that was really sweet. He also leaves a little, every couple days in December, he leaves a little something on my computer. We live on the Katy Trail and we ride bikes. Oh gosh, we used to ride like 3,000 miles a year. Seriously. We haven't been riding as much. I had some health problems, but we live on the Katy Trail. We have a small Christmas tree. Darren's gonna drill a hole in that. We're gonna put a ribbon on it and make a little Christmas ornament out of that for our big tree, which is not up this year, has bicycle ornaments. They're all bicycle ornaments. Okay, there's a couple Barbies on there too. And then we have the small tree, which we're going to do just trains on. This was one of my gifts. I did mention that I wanted this. I wanted it because of the Barbie challenges. Dory from Dory Dollies had bought me one of these. Oh gosh, been over a year ago now, hasn't it, Darren, since we went to Chicago the first time?
Coming up it's in January.
About a year ago. Dory surprised me. She bought me a gift. She's really a lovely doll, and I wanted another one. I'm going to take her out and sew for her. So Darren got me those. Now this is from Nola, and I want to reiterate, Happy Mail is a big deal. It's not just that they thought of you, which is a huge deal, but they put items in a package and they took it to the post office, and sometimes, even if it's always more than $5 if you take it to the post office. And seriously, you need to appreciate the thought and the thought process, packing it up and taking it to the mailbox, reaching in their pocket for that postage, as well as the items inside, and really appreciate Happy Mail because it's a big deal. Nola, thank you. I'm very excited to show. I have no idea what's in here. I don't think I knew this one was coming. All right, there is a card. Warmest Christmas greetings. It's really beautiful. Let's pull that out. It's a beautiful envelope. Warmest Christmas wishes. I love anything Christmas with a sleigh. Do you know why they say bobtails in the bells on bobtails ring on Jingle Bells the song, because on sleigh horses or your carriage horses, they bob the tail for 3 reasons. For the horse's safety, so it didn't get caught up in the harness and everything, and so that it didn't hit the driver in the face, and it also brings less flies. Dear Marna and Darren, may the beauty of Christmas season surround you. Love, peace, and hope. Thank you. Just a few things that I have thrifted over time. Well, thank you. I have included some cloth hankies for your friend who makes clothes from them. Much love, Nola. Nola, that's so nice. Nola's a very thoughtful person, and she thrifts, and I love that. I have been raised to care about the environment and to pay attention to what you're throwing away. Every time somebody talks about electric cars, I think, yeah, but what about the junkyards that are going to fill up with the gas-powered cars? Oh, wow, there's not just a couple in here. Wow, these are gorgeous, really pretty. Let's take a look real quick. Oh, these are gorgeous. Jean's gonna love these. It says there's 3 or 5. Okay, I thought it said 3. Look at that. These are just gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. That was so nice of you. Maybe I shouldn't have opened them before Jean did, huh? Might have to replace. No, I think I got it. Thank you, Drew. Okay, get that cut. Look inside here. This one says 6. Wow, you got good price on these. These are usually a lot more expensive. Where I live, these are like $3 and $4 a piece. Sometimes you can find them for $2 and $3. Those are the ones I buy. These are gorgeous. Oh, I don't know if you can see the detailed embroidery in that. That is going to make a gorgeous little tiny doll outfit. Jean makes these, oh my God, they're gorgeous, detailed. She smocks, just gorgeous little outfits out of hankies, which shows that Nola watches my videos because she knew that. All right, let's get this one. This one says 6. Wow, this was so nice of you. So thoughtful. These are gorgeous. Ladies used to carry these. They would tuck them in their sleeve. And, you know, they didn't just wipe their noses. They wiped their children's faces, or if somebody got hurt, they had their hanky. And they had it kind of like in the mid-ages when they had favors. This was kind of a favor. Oh, wow, there is a lot in here. Nola, Nola, Nola. Well, aren't you handsome? Wait till you see who we have here. I can't think of the group now. Look at these dolls. I didn't have one of these, and I see these on channel. Oh, his feet are still locked together. These dolls are very articulated, and I see people open these on their channel, and I always think, oh, I should get one of those. Thank you, Nola. And he'd be great for, what is that group? Do you remember?
No.
Oh, I can't think of it. He will be great for like a boy doll challenge. Perfect. Oh, wait, there's more. Wait, there's a lot more. Oh my God, I love clowns. Oh, Nola, she is adorable. And I don't have a lot of Kelly dolls. Oh, I'm not taking her out. She's gonna, well, isn't that a cute display?
That is cute.
I love that. Oh, thank you. And I will reuse that. Like I said, I was raised to think about the environment. And I reuse a lot of stuff. Look at these. Thank you, Nola. Look at all the stuff in here. This is really fun. I don't think it's, there you go. Let's pour this one out and take a look. Look at this little clown here. Oh, I love clowns. Thank you. You sit with Kelly. I'm gonna find you a cool spot next to my other clowns. Look, aren't these the cutest? I love these. These are from those Miniverse. Oh, these are so cute. Thank you, Nola. What fun props. You know what? Let's just set these back in here. Thank you so much. And there's more. There is still more. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, wow. I love these. Love, 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 love these. Those tiny dolls for dolls. Having trouble getting this one open. And I love these reusable fashion pack holders that Mattel and when the oh, what are they? Fashionistas came in these containers. I reuse those. Look how fun this stuff is. Oh, this is so fun. I have very few of these, and I think these are the cutest for the dolls to hold for props. Look at that for our boy dolls. Oh, so cute. And these little cars. Oh God, I love these little cars. My boys, from the time, all three of them, but from the time they were like, I don't know, if they were a year old, they loved those little cars. They just, I had to watch them with them because of the small parts, but boy, they played with those. And even as little babies, you know, they made the cars go. Look what we got here. Oh, this is really cool. Little train cars, or, oh no, they're buses. How cute is that? And another doll. And two Ford patches. And they look like they're stick-on, not sew-on. Thank you so much. This is so fun. This is like Christmas morning where there's just a bunch of packages around you. Nola, this is so kind. Oh, wow. This is very cool. Monorail characters. So these are something I had not seen before. Aren't they cute? And there's Pinocchio and Peter Pan and the Captain Crook dwarf. These are real. Oh, Allison, how cute. And look at these tiny parts. I am not going to open this right now. That is amazing, Nola. This is fantastic. Thank you so much. Go by Nola's channel and take a look and watch her shorts. She finds amazing, well, as you can see, amazing things at her thrift store. I kid her all the time and tell her I'm going to beat her there. She and Darla. It used to be, what is Darla's new channel name? Just Being Darla. She finds incredible stuff at her thrift store too. Ours aren't that lucky. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.